Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I have a quick little crafty haul to share with you guys. I got in another peachy cheap deal that I had received, and I also got in my Scrapbookcom order. So let's get into it. For peachy cheap, you guys, they put out Hey Pumpkin around 3 or 4 times, and I think every single time it was out, I picked it up. The only difference with this one is that they didn't give the, what's it called? The cardstock stickers. And I think with every other deal, we did get the cardstock stickers. So we got the sticker book, the paper pad, the ephemera, and the puffy stickers, which are my favorite. I go through these like nobody's business. You guys know I've been crafting like crazy. So I ran out of these and now I have a new pack. And then I went on Scrapbook.com, you guys, and I picked up the new collection from DoodleBug. I love their Halloween collections. They're so cutesy. I love cutesy Halloween. And yeah, this one is called Carnival. Love the pinks. Their collections, you guys, are so vibrant. I love them so much. Look at these tickets. How cute are these? I ordered the 12 by 12 and they didn't send it, so I have to email them because I ordered 2. I didn't get them in. I wanted to fussy cut them. But this is what the paper pad looks like. And although their collections always look super similar, I always pick them up. I just think they're adorable. They're so cute. I got the odds and ends ephemera pack and then the chit chat. So you get like a bunch of phrases and words. So cute. They are a little bit more pricier than your regular collections, but so worth it, you guys. You get 90 pieces in each pack. Look at these little guys. And look at that. Do you guys see all those cute pieces? This is the next collection that I'll be crafting with, so definitely stay tuned for some projects using this collection. This was a little freebie. It's a stamp set. It says, "Hey there, Foxy. Thank you very much. Get out of here. You are perfect. I woof you. Love you always. And happy birthday." So cute. I got the icon cardstock stickers. And it's only one side, I think. Yeah, it is. Look at that little cotton candy. I love the little cart. Super cute. And then I had picked up 4 12 by 12 sheets. I got the 2 cut aparts and then the tickets, but the tickets are not here. This is what the cut aparts look like. Happy Halloween, corn dogs. Super cute. Perfect to make embellishments or handmade cards. These especially I use. These are the 3x4s and I use these to make cards. And I feel like I'm missing another sheet. I'm gonna have to look at my order, you guys, because I feel like I ordered way more 12 by 12 sheets. But that is my quick little tiny haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.